Consider triangle ABC. Points M and N are located on sides AB and AC. The line segment MN is parallel to side AB. Moreover, point O, which lies on segment MN, is the intersection point of the angle bisectors of angle B and angle C. The lengths of the sides of triangle AMN are given as follows. What is the perimeter of triangle AMN? Well, to solve the problem, we need to obtain more information. Let's start from here. MN is parallel to BC, and CO is a transversal intersecting both of them. Therefore, angle C1 is equal to angle O1. Since C1 and C2 are equal, so C1 is equal to O1. Therefore, triangle CON is isosceles, and as a result, CN is equal to ON. Now, let's turn our attention to the other part of the figure. Here, we can also use the fact that MN and BC are parallel. BO is also a transversal intersecting the two parallel lines. Therefore, angle B2 is equal to angle O2. Also, since B1 and B2 are equal, so B1 is equal to O2. Also, since B1 and B2 are equal, so B1 is equal to O2. Therefore, triangle BOM is an isosceles triangle, which means that BM is equal to OM. Now that we have this information, we can easily find the perimeter of triangle AMN. If you're wondering how this problem can be solved with just this information, keep watching the rest of the video carefully. The perimeter of triangle AMN is simply the sum of its three sides, MN, AM, and AN. Focus your attention on the line, MN. Instead, we can use the sum of OM and ON. We can also replace OM and ON with BM and CN respectively. Now, with a little rearrangement of the equation, everything becomes much simpler. The sum of AM and BM is equal to AB, and the sum of AN and CN is equal to AC. The perimeter of triangle AMN is equal to AB plus AC. By substituting 12 and 18 for these values, we can get the final answer. Finally, we have found the perimeter of triangle AMN, and the answer is 30. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this problem, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.